Ever wondered why you keep waking up at night to use the bathroom? You're not alone. Many older adults experience this, and it's called nocturia. It's more than just a minor inconvenience. It can really affect your sleep quality and overall health. But don't worry, because today we're diving into some effective solutions to help you reduce those nighttime bathroom trips and improve your sleep. In this video, we'll explore practical tips that can make a real difference in your nightly routine. Imagine waking up feeling refreshed and ready to take on the day without the constant interruptions. We'll look at simple lifestyle changes, dietary adjustments, and even some exercises that can help. These aren't just quick fixes, they're strategies that can lead to lasting improvements. You might be wondering why this happens in the first place. Well, as we age, our bodies change, and sometimes our bladder doesn't hold as much as it used to. But that doesn't mean you have to accept sleepless nights as a part of getting older. There are ways to manage it effectively. By watching this video, you'll discover how to minimize those nighttime trips to the bathroom and enjoy more restful nights. If you find this topic relevant, please like, subscribe, and share your experiences in the comments. Let's work together to make sleepless nights a thing of the past. Let's dive into understanding nocturia, a condition that can really disrupt your sleep. You might find yourself waking up several times a night to use the bathroom, and it can be quite frustrating. But why does this happen? Well, there are a few common causes. As we age, our bladder function changes, which can lead to more frequent trips to the bathroom at night. Medical conditions like diabetes can also play a role, as they affect how your body processes fluids. And then, there are lifestyle factors, such as how much fluid you drink in the evening. Now, let's talk about how nocturia affects your sleep. When you're constantly waking up, it interrupts your sleep cycles, making it hard to get the deep, restorative sleep you need. This can lead to daytime fatigue, leaving you feeling tired and less energetic. It's important to recognize that ignoring these symptoms can lead to sleep deprivation, which can have a significant impact on your overall health. Plus, frequent nighttime urination might be a sign of underlying health issues that shouldn't be overlooked. So what can you do about it? First, it's crucial to consult a healthcare provider to get a proper diagnosis. They can help identify any medical conditions that might be contributing to your nocturia. Additionally, monitoring your fluid intake and adjusting your evening habits can make a big difference. Try to limit how much you drink a few hours before bedtime and see if that helps reduce the number of times you wake up at night. Understanding the root causes of nocturia is essential for effective management. By addressing these causes, you can improve your sleep quality and overall well-being. I remember a friend of mine who struggled with nocturia for years. Once she started paying attention to her evening habits and consulted her doctor, she noticed a significant improvement in her sleep. If you've experienced nocturia, I'd love to hear how it affects your daily life. Sharing your experiences can help others who might be going through the same thing. Remember, you're not alone, and there are steps you can take to improve your situation. Let's talk about some lifestyle adjustments that can help you get a better night's sleep by reducing those frequent trips to the bathroom. First, consider limiting your fluid intake a couple of hours before bedtime. This simple change can make a big difference in how often you wake up at night. It's not just about drinking less, but also being mindful of what you drink. Caffeinated and alcoholic beverages can increase urination, so try to avoid them in the evening. Incorporating regular exercise into your routine is another effective way to manage nocturia. Exercise helps improve overall health and can reduce the symptoms of many conditions that contribute to frequent urination. Even a daily walk can be beneficial. Plus, exercise can help you sleep more soundly, which is a win-win. Establishing a bedtime routine is also crucial. Going to bed and waking up at the same time each day helps regulate your body's internal clock. A relaxing pre-sleep routine, like reading or listening to calming music, can signal to your body that it's time to wind down. Your diet plays a significant role in managing nocturia. Eating a balanced diet with plenty of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can help. Some foods, like spicy or acidic ones, might irritate your bladder, so pay attention to how your body reacts to different foods. Creating a comfortable sleep environment is equally important. Make sure your bedroom is cool, quiet, and dark. Investing in a good mattress and pillows can also make a big difference in your sleep quality. Now, I know changing long-standing habits can be challenging. It might feel uncomfortable at first, but starting with small, manageable changes can make it easier. You don't have to do it alone either. Seek support from family or friends who can encourage you along the way. These lifestyle changes can significantly impact how often you need to urinate at night. They might take some time to get used to, but the benefits are worth it. I'd love to hear from you. Comment below on which lifestyle change you find most challenging. Let's talk about medical treatments and interventions for managing nocturia. If lifestyle changes haven't quite done the trick, there are medical options that might help you get a better night's sleep. First, let's discuss medications. There are specific medications designed to reduce urine production at night. These can be quite effective, but it's important to consult with your healthcare professional to understand the potential side effects. Some people might experience dry mouth or dizziness, so it's crucial to weigh the benefits against any possible downsides. For those with more severe cases, surgical options might be considered. Surgery is usually a last resort, but it can be a viable solution for some. Again, discussing this with your doctor is key. They'll help you understand the risks involved and whether it's the right path for you. It's always best to explore less invasive options first, but knowing all your choices is empowering. Another approach is bladder training. This therapy involves exercises and techniques to help you control your bladder better. It might sound a bit daunting, but many people find it incredibly helpful. Bladder training can be a non-invasive way to manage nocturia, and it often comes with fewer risks than medications or surgery. Now, let's talk about the importance of consulting with a healthcare professional. They can guide you through the options and help you make informed decisions. Understanding the potential side effects and risks is crucial, but so is knowing the relief these treatments can bring. Medical interventions can provide significant relief when lifestyle changes aren't enough. It's also important to remember that every treatment has its challenges. Medications can have side effects, and surgeries come with risks. But by discussing all your options with your doctor, you can find the best path forward. Consider starting with non-invasive therapies, as they often offer a good balance of effectiveness and safety. So, if nocturia is keeping you up at night, don't hesitate to ask your doctor about the best treatment options for you. They can help you find a solution that fits your needs and lifestyle so you can enjoy more restful nights. As we age, sleep becomes more than just rest. It's a cornerstone of your well-being and longevity. Quality sleep can boost your mood, sharpen your mind, and even strengthen your immune system. Imagine waking up refreshed, ready to embrace the day with energy and clarity. It's not just about the hours you sleep, but the quality of those hours. Sure, challenges like nocturia can interrupt this, but finding solutions can transform your nights. Think about how a good night's sleep impacts your daily life. Does it make you feel more vibrant and engaged? Share your thoughts. Your experiences might inspire others to seek their own path to restful nights. Let's take a moment to recap what we've covered. Nocturia, or frequent urination at night, can be a real challenge, but understanding its causes is the first step to finding relief. We talked about how factors like fluid intake, certain medications, and underlying health conditions can contribute to those sleepless nights. By making some simple lifestyle adjustments, like reducing evening fluid intake and avoiding caffeine, you can start to see improvements. Remember, it's not just about cutting back, it's about timing and moderation. We also explored medical treatments that can help manage nocturia. Consulting with your healthcare provider can open up options tailored to your needs, whether it's medication or other interventions. It's important to address any underlying health issues, as they can often be the root cause of frequent urination. Now, here's what you can do next. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others who might benefit. Sharing this information can make a big difference for someone else struggling with the same issue. As you take these steps, remember that you're not alone, and there are solutions out there. Wishing you peaceful nights and healthier days ahead. Thank you for watching.